If you're a man over 40 and things don't feel as strong or as reliable as they used to, this is important. Because for most men, the problem isn't testosterone, and it's not a lack of supplements. It's that blood flow doesn't recover properly at night. For over the years, I've been helping men understand what actually restores circulation and performance, not temporarily, but at the biological level. And one of the most overlooked solutions isn't a pill at all. It's a specific nut that supports nitric oxide, relaxes blood vessels, and works while you sleep, when your body is designed to repair itself. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, when to take it, and why it works better than zinc for many men. And stay until the end, because I'll also share one small adjustment that dramatically increases the results, something almost no one talks about, but that makes this work long term. Step 1 is simple. Have one small handful of pistachios, about 30 to 40 grams. The goal isn't to overeat. It's to provide your body with a precise dose of nutrients, like L-arginine, healthy fats, and antioxidants that support blood vessel function and endothelial health. Research shows why this works. In a controlled study, adding pistachios to the diet for 4 weeks led to about a 30% increase in endothelium-dependent vasodilation. That's a measure of how well blood vessels relax and expand. Improved vasodilation means blood flows more efficiently, delivering oxygen and nutrients where your body needs them most. Other studies also show modest reductions in systolic blood pressure, around 2 to 3 mmHg, which can meaningfully support cardiovascular health over time. To make this practical, let me share an example from my practice. One of my patients, a man in his late 50s, was already taking zinc and staying active. Yet he noticed that morning circulation and responsiveness weren't what they used to be. Instead of adding another supplement, he simply added one handful of pistachios before bed. After about 2 weeks, he reported subtle but consistent changes. Morning circulation improved, sleep felt deeper, and overall responsiveness gradually strengthened. What stood out wasn't stimulation, it was recovery. Nighttime blood flow support allowed his body to do the work naturally. Beyond supporting blood flow, pistachios offer a wide range of other health benefits. They help lower LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, improve gut health, support weight management, stabilize blood sugar, boost antioxidant levels, enhance eye health, support brain function, improve skin quality, and promote satiety. In other words, this small handful isn't just helping circulation. It's quietly supporting multiple systems in your body while you sleep. And this pattern isn't unique. When blood vessels get the support they need during sleep, the body's repair mechanisms can work efficiently, setting the stage for better overall performance and vascular health. Step 2 is all about timing. Eating pistachios at the right moment ensures your body has the nutrients available during the overnight repair cycle, when circulation and endothelial function are naturally optimized. Research shows that nutrient timing can make a measurable difference. One study found that consuming L-arginine-rich foods in the evening improved nocturnal nitric oxide production by 15 to 20%, enhancing overnight vasodilation and endothelial repair. That means your blood vessels get the support they need precisely when your body is most receptive. Let me share a practical example. A patient in his early 60s was already following healthy daytime habits, exercise, moderate diet, and basic supplementation. But he still experienced morning stiffness and low energy. Once he started eating his handful of pistachios about 45 minutes before bed, he noticed that within a week, morning circulation felt more consistent, sleep felt deeper, and daytime energy was steadier. The key takeaway: it's not just what you eat, but when you eat it. This small timing adjustment can amplify the benefits, turning modest support into meaningful overnight recovery. And let me quickly say this: if you found value so far, show your support by subscribing. It's the best way to let us know we're creating content that truly helps. And it also keeps you in the loop whenever we drop new health tips designed to keep you stronger, longer. Step 3 is all about quality. Choose unsalted or lightly salted pistachios. Avoid honey-roasted, flavored, or sugar-coated versions. The reason is simple. Added sugars, flavorings, and excess salt can interfere with blood vessel relaxation and circulation. You want the nutrients to work efficiently overnight, not compete with digestion or raise blood pressure. Keep it clean and simple. One small handful, properly timed, and naturally prepared is enough to support overnight blood flow and recovery. Step 4 is simple. Drink water with your pistachios. Avoid alcohol, desserts, or heavy carbohydrates at this time. These can interfere with digestion and slow circulation, reducing the efficiency of overnight repair. Water ensures your body absorbs the nutrients smoothly and supports natural vascular recovery. Consistency is key. Keep it light, clean, and simple. Step 5 is about consistency. This isn't a stimulant. You won't see instant results, but your body responds gradually. Eating your handful of pistachios each night for at least 7 to 10 nights gives your blood vessels the support they need to adapt and recover. Remember, small, consistent habits build lasting benefits. Done right, this simple routine works quietly overnight, setting the stage for better circulation, energy, and overall performance. Let's close the loop from the beginning of this video. There's one overlooked adjustment that determines whether this pistachio habit delivers modest support or meaningful overnight results. It's not another food. It's not a supplement. It's how you transition your body into sleep. Right before bed, slow, intentional breathing shifts your nervous system into its repair state. Stress hormones drop. Blood vessels relax. Nitric oxide becomes more effective. That's when circulation improves most efficiently, and when the nutrients you've just consumed are actually put to work. Here's the exact way to do it. After your pistachios, spend 2 to 3 minutes breathing through your nose. Inhale slowly. Brief pause. Then exhale longer than you inhaled. Do this 6 to 8 times. This doesn't cost anything. It doesn't add calories. And it doesn't take more than a few minutes. But it dramatically improves how well your body responds overnight. When this breathing pattern is combined with the right portion, timing, and preparation, you're no longer just eating for health. You're activating recovery. That's what turns a simple habit into a reliable, long-term strategy. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for personal medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional about your health, diet, or male performance concerns.